Yes, habari yako. Nzuri sana. So maneno iko hapa na mwanangu. I was here 3 months ago, almost 4 months ago, and we agreed on what should be done here, but it's not happening. No. In fact, PS issued the last warning for these ones. 40. In the next...
There's a side meeting.
Yes?
There's a side meeting which has been planned for third.
Third.
Yes.
Which is 2 days from today.
Yeah.
Right. So in that meeting, who is going to come here?
I think I'll now have to come.
You come yourself?
Yes, I'll have to come. Yeah.
Give very firm instructions to this contractor. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. So, you will get a final warning, you know, my friend, on that. If you don't pull up your socks, I'm sorry. We will have to terminate this contract, get another contractor, so that we can get this cancer center off the ground. It's just as simple as that. There is no fight, there is no quarrel. You just have to do what you have to do. And I will not allow this kind of thing. Because you've been paid all the money that requires. There is no pending certificate. There is no reason whatsoever why this project is not on. So that's one, that information to be very clear. There are very many contractors like you who are letting us down, and we will not allow them. This is the year for delivery. This is the year that we must get everything done the way we have planned. We've laid out all the plans. This is the year for between us and them. So just for tell your big boss. So PS, you be here yourself on that. Yeah. So with all the relevant other people.
I've been here.
Huyu contractor anafanya maneno gani hapa?
Anaenda very slowly, Excellency. In fact, since November,
Yes.
when you call him and reach the level of warning,
Yes.
then you go to the site. So far, the quality is about 4%. Done some more excavation.
What?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. So he has no certificate pending.
No certificate so far. In fact, even the office of the resident engineer is just finished completing.
Where is his representative? Is he here?
He's around here. Yes.